Some of my friends are actually asking how to be a teacher here in Thailand, and this video is for you. No, this video is for those people who are asking, and this might be helpful or this might answer your questions. First, paano ba maging teacher dito sa Thailand? There are two ways actually. Two ways, three ways. Disclaimer, this is my experience. Nagturist ako ng pagpasok ko dito kasi sure naman ako na may pupuntahan akong work. May job na naghihintay sa akin. And then, wala din akong iniwang job sa Philippines. Iniwan ko lang noon ay pamilya ko. Tapos, yun, nagtourist ako. And then, nag-in and out ako, nag-border run ako, ganyan. Until I found my school right now. And yung school namin ngayon, they're the ones who processes all the legal documents na kailangan namin. So, wala kaming problema doon. So, when it comes to documents like that, like immigration, visa, work permit, we don't have any problem about it because the school processes it. So, that's one. Kung malakas ang loob mo, pwede ka mag-tourist visa. Second, some of my co-teachers, sabi nila meron silang agency. Merong agency sa Philippines na nag-help sila to place you sa school dito sa Thailand. Kasi some of my friends are from agencies. Websites. The websites I can recommend are adjourn.com, crewteacher.com, the app JobStreet. So, sa JobStreet ko nakita tong work ko right now. Kaso, some of the schools want you to be here in Thailand already. Like, for example, nag-apply ka, then tinawagan ka nila, nalaman nila na nasa Pilipinas ka. Sorry. Ganon na ibang school. Pero, if the school would agree to do the hiring process or the application process while you are in the Philippines, that's good. And then you just go to Thailand when you're already hired. That's good. If you can make that deal with them. But, mas maganda talaga kung ma-land mo na yung job. I mean, kung sure mo na yung job habang nasa Philippines ka pa. Para at least pag nagpunta ka dito, meron ka nang pupuntahan. Kasi, you will also need the right papers para hindi ka ma-offload sa immigration. Next is, ano ngayon? Some people ask me na kung pwede daw silang mag-tourist papunta dito. Pwede naman. Pero kasi, kung may stable na kayong trabaho sa Philippines, mas maganda kung i-balance nyo yung kinikita nyo dyan sa Philippines, kikitain nyo dito sa Thailand. If ako for example, ito for me, if I am in DepEd, stable na kasing job yung DepEd. Though, okay, I mean, stressful siya, yes. Pero if bibitawan mo yung DepEd para sa job na walang kasiguraduhan dito sa Thailand, parang, di ba, nakakatakot eh. For me, natatakot ako. Kaya, ang lagi kong advice sa mga nagtatanong sa akin, kung stable na yung job mo dyan, tapos ang pupuntahan mo dito sa Thailand ay walang kasiguraduhan, mas maganda kung siguraduhin mo muna yung nandito sa Thailand bago mo bitawan yung dyan sa DepEd or dyan sa stable job mo. At saka, i-balance mo yung magiging gastos mo din dito. Kasi, syempre, dito kailangan mong umupa. Hindi din naman basta ang umupa dito. Like, you'll have to rent din. Ano pa ba? Maganda ang work-life balance dito. Kasi wala naman kaming inuuwi na paperworks. Though, gumagawa kami ng lesson plan, kaya hindi ako makarelate dun sa mga vloggers dito sa Thailand na sinasabi nilang wala silang lesson plan. Kasi gumagawa kami ng lesson plan. Pero wala kaming ginagawang test papers. Wala kaming ginagawang other paperworks. Siguro mga worksheets ng mga bata, exam analysis, and semestral reflection. Yun lang. Wala naman kaming heavy na ginagawa na paperwork. Wala din kaming inuuwi. Kasi nga, nagtuturo ako. Ako nagtuturo dito like twice a day. 2 klase isang araw. Like, pero everyday yon, 2 klase everyday. So, light lang yung work. If you really want to work here in Thailand, you have to make sure talaga na meron ka ng job na pupuntahan. Dahil mahirap ang bibitawan mo yung trabaho mo sa Thailand, sa Philippines, and then you're gonna go here in Thailand without assurance of a job. Sa totoo lang, this is my hot take on those vloggers na nagsasabi na, oh, maganda dito, punta kayo dito. Sa akin, yes, punta kayo dito. Kung meron na kayong sure na trabaho. This is not to discourage anybody, but this is the reality. Madami ng Pilipino dito na walang trabaho. Nagpunta sila dito, walang kasiguraduhang trabaho. Tapos, yeah, the best advice I could give is that if you really want to work here, the safest one is to find an agency that can help you find a job in Thailand. Or you can find a job yourself, but make sure na bago ka umalis ng Pilipinas, ay may assurance na sa job na pupuntahan mo. Like, tanggap ka na. Ganun. Punta ka na lang dito para mag-start ng trabaho. Ganun ba? Kasi, mahirap mawala ng trabaho sa panahon ngayon. Hindi tayo dapat basta-basta nagbibitaw ng trabaho sa Pilipinas kasi nga, mahirap mahalin ang Pilipinas. If you really want to find a job here in Thailand, like assurance of the job that you are going to before you leave Philippines. That's the only thing that's very important as for me, yun yung pinaka-importante kasi na kailangan yung assure. Dapat sure na kayo na may pupuntahan trabaho and you have all the documents or legal documents that will help you pass the immigration as well. Isa pa yung kinakatakutan natin, di ba? Offload. Kasi, hindi basta mag-book ng ticket. Now, if you already have the documents from the school that you applied to, you can pass the immigration easily. And also, beware of the scammers. Dahil may mga cases na ang sabi daw is magtuturo sila and then ended up being in a scammers like them, ganon, yung alam mo yung building na mang scam sila ng tao, ganyan. So, yung pinangako sa kanila is hindi tunay. So, beware of that as well. Make sure that you are really talking to the right person. Ganon, yung talagang it's either agency or the actual school. Ganon. So, again, bago umalis ng Pilipinas, bago bitawan ang trabaho sa Pilipinas, siguraduhin na may pupuntahang eskwelahan dito sa Thailand. Yun lamang po. And I hope na answer ang inyong mga question and ka-help ako sa inyo. Good luck if you're going to pursue teaching here in Thailand, and bye-bye.